but not
We're
safe.
good.
We still have 4 days.
We're 8.
You go with us now? I'm here. Ayan guys, umakyat kami ng bundok. Ha?
Where are you going? I'm tired.
Ja, na klar, gar kein Problem.
Give me peanuts.
Bili.
Robert, I find something. It's a secret.
Ayan.
Lala, no,
Yeah.
come. One of you need to go.
Mga kwan ini ah.
Ah, this one?
Get the glasses.
No. This one they used to do wine, grapes, juice. So come here, look. They come here and do like
Let's
this.
do big pancakes.
No, they put here and they put here, and after they put in this bottle.
Woo! There's other upstairs. Up.
Ah. Meron pa pataas. Ayan. Ay, may yung kauna-unahang pa ninuno. Look at this. Yung time pa ng kupong-kupong.
Very realistic and natural manner.
Ah, kaya iniin mga kwan nila pa. Uy, may nabutan ko pa yung sina. Nabutan ko pa yung mga sili ganito pag iinuman ng coffee. Tasa. So yan. Itong kauna-unahang noon pa. Ito sabi yung mga oh, may baol. May mga damit hanginan. Ito yung bed. Ito, may duwa ng study, oh. Ito yung bed nila. Yan, oh. Tapos, home pa siya. Magkaakyat. Maso maliit. Hindi ako katupot.
The room with the baby.
Toilet.
Is the toilet?
Wala dahil. Pa-exit na.
You're the baby.
Ah. Ito, pa-exit.
You want to sleep in your bed?
Yes. So, ayan guys. Aakyat naman kami, oh. Doon sa my farm. Ano daw? Aday, ang ganda baby. Yes. No bicycle. Yes. Hindi kami nagbo-bicycle. Na-exercise si Shena ngayon. Shena Michelle. 1, 2, 3. So, nandito kami sa Heidi Farm. So, yan. Nakikita yung mga views.
Sim, you're not listening to me.
No, that's the ground. We're coming down. Cookie. Yeah, you're making a mess now. Look, you're making a mess. Yeah. Stop it.
Ayan. Ayan uto. Inawduyay. Bangon kita lupa biya ini. Pag ipatan na to sapi. Ayan na, una sapi.